This is the only snack you will ever need. Carnivore snacks. 2 ingredients, meat and salt. You can't ask for much more. Listen to this crunch. That's real. So many people are wasting their time buying processed meat sticks, eating jerky, eating potato chips. These meat chips are the only thing you will ever need to get jacked. It's actually crazy how good these are. You can tell that this is real. There's so many products out there in the world these days where you open up the bag and you just know there's something fake about it. When you open up these, you know this is just real meat and real salt. Good for the soul and good for your body.